Hello children, today I am going to show you my bathroom. What are the things are there in my bathroom and how do we use it? Okay, now let us start with this. This is what? Door. What is this? This is brown color door and it has handle on it. After that, what is this? This is mirror. You can see this mirror. And what are the things? See, this is, we use mirror to comb my hair, and whenever we have to get ready, we can use it. I use it whenever I have to go out. Okay, what are the things we use? See, this is what? Hair oil. We should always oil our hair. Now this is what? Face wash. This is what? Nail paint. After that, what is this? Cream. You see this comb here, and this is what? Toothpaste. We should always brush our teeth. This is what? Toothbrush. We should always brush our teeth twice a day. After that, what is this? This is my napkin. You can see this switch also. Now after that, what is this? My tube light. See, I have one tube light in my bathroom. Now after that, what is this? Wash basin. You can call it also sink. Okay, now this is one tab is there. If you want to wash your hands, you can use this tab. Okay, while going for a washroom, we should always use this hand wash. What is this? Hand wash. After that, this is toilet cleaner. Okay. Now what is this? Dustbin. And what is this? Sleepers. Whenever we have to go for a washroom, whenever I go for a washroom, I always use this sleepers. Okay. And when all the rubbish are here, we can put it in the dustbin so that my bathroom is always clean. Now what is this? Bucket. You can see this bucket in my bathroom. Now what is this? Toilet paper. Okay, and what is this? Toilet and commode. We can call it commode also. Whenever I use this, I always flush this. See, you can see this flush button also. You should always remember, children, whenever you go for a washroom, you should always flush it so that every time it is clean. Okay, and after that, you should wash your hands with a hand wash, so that no germs will be there in your hand. After that, see, this is I take bath here. Now what things you see in my bathroom? See, this is what? Geyser. When you need a hot water, you can use this geyser or a heater. आपको जब गरम पानी से नहाना रहता है तो जब आप ये यूज करते हैं ना, मैं भी वैसे ही यूज करती हूँ. Okay, see, for that you have to switch on this button. You can see this button. After that, shower. We love to take bath with this, but remember, children, you should not waste water. Okay, and if you want to wash your hairs, if you want to take a bath, you can use this shower. After that, what are the see, this is soap. I use soap to wash to take a bath. Okay, and after that, these are tabs. You can see different tabs here. See. Now after that, this is what? Bucket and a mug. You should always take bath with a bucket or a mug instead of using this shower. Okay, because wastage of water is not very good. And what is this? This is doormat. Whenever I take a bath and come out with a wet feet, I always wipe my feet with this. Okay, and this is what? Towel also you can say. Okay, this is what? Towel rod. Okay, this is what? My bathroom. Now what is left? Exhaust fan. See, what is the use of this exhaust fan? Whenever we feel heat or hot there, that time we can switch on this exhaust fan so that it will not be suffocated. Okay. Now this is my bathroom. I use it in this way. You see your bathroom also and compare what are the things are there in my bathroom and your bathroom.
Shanti Juniors.